Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. How you doing? This is Ramon Del Villar coming at you from Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And today, I want to introduce you to a company called Bitcoin Trading World. It's a company that's allowing us to grow financially with them, and they've been established since 2015. I personally really like this company and the people behind it. So let me tell you a little bit about them. We have been operating since 2015, one of the earliest adopters in the crypto mining space, located in Asia's financial center, Causeway Bay in Hong Kong. Their history: when the company started, our owners were trading in the derivatives market and cryptocurrency trading. In 2018, the company decided to focus solely on cryptocurrency mining. This was also a strategic decision for the investors since derivatives trading involved greater risk and higher capital involved compared to cryptocurrency mining. Of course, trading, there's always a higher risk, where mining, you're mining for coin and approving transactions, and that's more of a commission-based, I believe. Our strategic partner, Bitcoin Trading World, assigned a partnership with Dragon Mining. Together, we created one of the biggest mining pools in the world. Our mining facilities are located in Session, Guangdong, located in China. Okay. Who we are today. The person who changed the company's business model is Mr. Joseph Conroy, CEO, renowned businessman, entrepreneur from New Zealand. Today, we offer mining programs for various cryptocurrencies, offering steady monthly returns to our clients, guaranteed. And the only thing that's guaranteed in this world really is taxes and death. So, we always proceed with caution, and we look, we analyze, and we try to do our homework and our due diligence. So far, no flags have been raised. This company is so solid, and I really like them. Both deposits and withdrawals are expedient and take less than 15 minutes for our clients. And yes, we do have our friends who let us know that they have received their coins within 15 minutes of withdrawal. So that is pretty amazing. That is a quick draw, especially in this industry. So BTW's priority and trademark is customer support. We have 24/7 coverage and are always here to meet any requests and inquiries that our clients may have. And yes, I personally experienced that customer support. And yes, they are 100% on top of their game. Once you ask a question, they're there in less than a minute. You know what I mean? They're very responsive. So that builds a lot of confidence within me for this company. So I like that. Here are the mining programs. We offer various mining contracts ranging from 30 to 60 days. Let me move this right here. Our best-selling products are 90-day contract periods for the following currencies. Okay, so BTC mining, they have the basic 30-day contract for 10% gain, the advanced 60-day for 17.5, the progressive 90 for 25%. Ethereum mining, 30 days for 20%, the 60-day is for 30%, and the progressive 90 days is for 40%. Excuse me while I take a sip of water. Oh, wow. Okay, Litecoin is a progressive 50% or progressive 90 days contract with a 50% gain. B2G mining is a 90-day contract with a 60% gain. Okay, and keep this in mind that all these percentages are monthly. Okay, they're monthly. The 50 and the 60% are monthly gains. Like the basic 30 days, the advanced 60, and the progressive 90, and all these percentages are monthly gains according to the coin in which you decide to mine, or the mining program you decide to choose to get involved with. The minimum deposit is $1,000 US. We accept payments in BTC, Ethereum, and Litecoin directly on wallet and US bank wires. Okay. Updates. This August 2018, Bitcoin Trade World will accommodate bank wire withdrawals for US-based clients. BTW is one of the first crypto mining companies who allows bank wire withdrawals in the US. So that's amazing. So here's the referral, commissions, and unique incentive. Point number one, 25% on your first level, 20% on the second, 15% on your third level, and 10% on your fourth. That is a very generous compensation. For real, I really believe so. For our top leaders, we offer more commission levels. So, you know, if you decide to really, you know, put your head down and go to work, they have even higher levels. So for the top leaders and builders, listen to this. We offer a monthly salary, okay? Now, I haven't heard of any company that offers you a monthly salary, a salary to work with them, to be part of their team, to share the information. I haven't heard. This is the first company that I've heard offering this monthly salary situation, which is amazing. But all that being said, with the referral commissions and unique incentives, yes, they're all fine and dandy, but please keep in mind that you do not have to recruit to bring anybody in. You can earn your income solely from your deposits. So yes, you do not have to recruit, but you know there's always an advantage if you do decide to recruit. Okay, so this is really amazing. I really like what I'm hearing, and yeah, man, this is for everybody. You know, it's pretty awesome. Let me see if I can escape out of here without stopping the share. Okay, looks like I can. So let me minimize that. So this is my back office. I'm already logged in here. Let me bring this down a little bit. So that goes right under me. You see the guy with the live chat? He's the one that, you know, they talk to us through there, and they're there all the time. So I really like it. I'm not gonna bother them now. But let me put this right here. And okay, here we have 2.4 BTC. Had I chosen to invest in the other coins, you would see like Ethereum here, Litecoin here, and B2G here, and the amounts and the respective amounts. But I want to show you something that's pretty cool. Here we go. Here's my account. I chose the 90-day program, the 90-day contract, and so far I'm into it 3 days, and my account has grown. It went from 2.38 BTC, which I started with, to 2.46, which is a reasonable gain. You know, and it's only my 3rd day, so I'm wondering, you know, what's gonna come up next. And here you can see, yep, 2.39. Okay, the first day that I started, the second day, the third, and the fourth, which is today. Okay, they let me know that usually the results get posted around 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So don't hold me to that, but that's what I found out. So I'm really excited about this company and the future. And this company can really boost your income, boost your investments. If you decide to bring other people on, you can't go wrong with that. I love helping people, and I love, you know, teaching people how to earn money online, and you know, and with this whole cryptocurrency situation, this is the opportunity. You know, they say that in real estate, location is what matters, but in business, it's timing, and the timing is now for you to get involved. Somewhere around this video, I'm going to leave a link, and you feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I'm here for you, you know, so it's really awesome. So I really like this one, and I want to show you something, or let me show you this. Okay, so new promotion. Litecoin mining and Ethereum mining have limited slots available. So I advise you that if to jump on as soon as you can, because those open slots might be done with. Okay, so but yeah, man, these gains are something, aren't they? And this is a special promotion that they're running. So listen, I want to thank you. My name is Ramon Del Villar. If you have any questions, please contact me and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. You know, and we're here. I'm here to grow and to try to help people grow themselves, you know, financially. As you saw what I did. I don't ask you to do anything that I haven't done myself. And so far, so good. Everybody here is happy. Everyone who's invested is also happy. So, you know, listen, let's move forward. Let's keep going. Let's keep rocking. Take care, people. God bless. And hopefully we'll talk soon. Okay.